Ever wondered what plants are best for a monarch butterfly habitat? A monarch butterfly habitat is a special environment, carefully crafted to support the survival and proliferation of these fascinating creatures. Stay tuned as we dive into the top 5 plants best suited for a monarch butterfly habitat. Starting off our list at number 1, we have milkweed. This plant plays a pivotal role in the life cycle of a monarch butterfly. It's the only source of food for monarch caterpillars, making it indispensable. Truly, milkweed is an essential component of a monarch butterfly habitat. Next up on our list, we have coneflowers. These vibrant beauties are a butterfly magnet thanks to their bright hues. Plus, their nectar-rich blooms offer a tasty feast for adult monarchs. Coneflowers, with their striking colors and rich nectar, are a great addition to any monarch butterfly habitat. Continuing our list, we have black-eyed Susans and butterfly bush. These vibrant plants are monarch magnets, thanks to their eye-catching hues and generous nectar offerings. Both black-eyed Susans and butterfly bush are excellent choices for adding variety and color to your monarch butterfly habitat. Finally, at number 5, we have zinnias. These flowers are a favorite due to their vibrant colors and tall stems, creating a perfect landing spot for butterflies. Zinnias, with their vibrant colors and tall stems, are the perfect finishing touch to any monarch butterfly habitat. So there you have it, the top 5 plants for creating a perfect monarch butterfly habitat. Milkweed, coneflowers, black-eyed Susans, butterfly bush, and zinnias, each with their unique benefits, can help you create a vibrant and welcoming space for these beautiful creatures. Remember, by cultivating these plants, we're not just beautifying our gardens, but also playing a crucial role in conserving the monarch butterfly population. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.